Oh, it bleeped off, and then I had to bleep it back on again.
This is from JCPenney.
Oh my gosh.
I totally know.
Holy shnikes. Now these are your big presents from Daddy, so you need to wait.
Okay. You need to wait.
And then open them one at a time, that way he can see.
What tape is this?
Really good tape.
It has my CD in it.
See?
You were worried.
You were so worried about that CD.
That's Hello Kitty.
Cute.
And then look.
Okay.
Daddy did good.
You did?
Wow.
It's my second favorite. It's my third favorite, but it's not my least favorite. It's third. Look at this. I finally got one of these.
Oh, they did so good, you guys.
Oh my gosh, they got hooded.
It's so hard to buy far away. They know you though.
Different styles.
They got your number down.
I like this wrapping.
Okay, so Ashley, you'll open your big present in a second. Lexus, go ahead.
Yes! I was like, I have to wait for it. There's a warning. Well, everything has
There's a warning.
It's a magic thingamajig! Oh, what is it? Whoa! Oh my gosh! I can learn tricks! And they won't be bad ones. They'll be real tricks. Oh my gosh! Yay! Oh my gosh! Thank you, because my other magic tricks were terrible. So now I can get good magic tricks. They were terrible. And there's a 90-minute DVD that I can see about Houdini. He made an elephant disappear.
What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you so much, like 1,000 gazillion. More than that. I miss you so much and I love you and like... can you please put this in the box? So much.
Just toss it over this way.
Pass it over to you?
It's all gonna go flying.
I know.
Just like that. Okay, Ashley, go ahead.
You can make things appear.
You're gonna have to figure out some tricks, and then we'll videotape you we'll videotape you doing tricks for Daddy.